Welcome all to this session of the channel. We are going to study about the climates of the planet. We are starting with torrid zone, and the first one is the equatorial region. Equatorial region lies between 10 degrees north and 10 degrees south of the equator. This region covers the Amazon lowlands of Brazil, the coast of French Guiana and Ecuador in South America, Congo Basin and Guinea in Africa, Malaysia, Indonesia, New Guinea, and parts of Philippines in Southeast Asia. The equatorial region lies along the equator that receives direct sun rays throughout the year. That is why this region experiences a hot and wet climate year round. Temperature is consistently high, ranging from 25 to 30 degrees with minimal seasonal variation. Intense heat causes high rate of evaporation from rivers, lakes, and forests. As the warm, moist air rises and cools, it forms dense cumulonimbus clouds, leading to heavy rainfall. This downpour, often accompanied by thunderstorms, typically occurs in the late afternoon, earning it the name 4 o'clock rain. Hot and wet climate supports dense, diverse, and exotic evergreen vegetation known as tropical rainforests. The vegetation in distinct layers from the towering emergent trees at the top down to the shaded forest floor. These forests are a source of valuable tropical hardwoods like mahogany, ebony, and rosewood. Equatorial rainforests are global hotspots for biodiversity, hosting a stunning variety of animal life. Mammals like gorilla, orangutan, jaguar, and sloths, birds like macaw, toucan, and parrots, reptiles like crocodile, iguana, and poisonous dart frogs, insects like countless species of butterflies and dragonflies found here. The equatorial rainforests have been home to many indigenous communities for ages. Some of these are the Pygmies of the Congo Basin, the Yanomami of Amazon, the Semang of Malaysia, the Dayaks of Borneo. Livelihood in this region is closely associated with its rich natural resources. Primary occupations include hunting and gathering, agriculture, forestry, fishing, and mining. Slash and burn is a traditional method of agriculture where a plot of land is cleared and cultivated for a few years. The farmers then move to a new plot, allowing the old one to regenerate naturally. Natives of these regions practice large-scale commercial farming of cash crops like rubber, cocoa, tea, and bananas. Harvesting timber and other valuable products from the dense evergreen forest is a common practice of the natives. Extraction of minerals, metals, and precious stones through mining is also one of the major occupations of the natives. Deforestation, logging and mining, pollution from industries, and unsustainable practices of developing infrastructure for cities are some of the major threats to the rainforest that lead to habitat loss of distinct species, reduce biodiversity, and are responsible for climate change. Rainforests are crucial for the absorption of carbon dioxide and for regulating the global weather patterns. We need to preserve the lungs of the earth for our planet's health. Thank you all for watching. Coming up next, the hot class lens. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.